everyone, this is your pre-mentor welcoming you all to this new series on geography. In the previous lecture, I had asked a question at the end. Those who have answered it in the comment section, as a token of appreciation, a big thumbs up for you people. Keep growing. Now come to the topic. In our regular life, we use kilometer, meter, centimeter, etc. as units of measurement. We all know. In astronomy, as the distance between celestial bodies are quite immeasurable, with these tiny units, we use units like light year, astronomical units, and others. In this mini lecture, we will learn about astronomical unit. Those who know what a light year is can easily understand this. Those who haven't watched that lecture yet can watch it from the playlist or the link given below in the description box. So, what exactly an astronomical unit is? The mean distance between the Sun and the Earth is called an astronomical unit. So simple. It is also written as capital AU. So, can anybody answer what is the distance between these two bodies? It is 1.496 into 10 to the power 8 kilometers. Remember this figure. Can I say the value of one astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 to the power 8 kilometers? In the definition, you might have observed, it says the mean distance, meaning the average distance. Why so? Because while revolving around the Sun, sometimes Earth is far away from the Sun and sometimes it comes relatively closer. So, the average of those distances is taken as the unit of measurement. To understand better, I will be covering the concepts of aphelion and perihelion in the following lectures. Now, it's question time. How much time light takes to cover one astronomical unit? Answer it in the comment section below. Let me help you a bit. I have already covered it in the universe chapter. You can get it and revise other facts from there. Those who answer the questions regularly, your effort is appreciable. By involving in these types of question answer interactions, you will be able to remember everything forever. One more thing, if you found this mini lecture useful, just click on the like button. And to keep learning regularly, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Keep sharing and keep growing. Thank you.